At kaugnay diyan, tinukoy ng FIVOX ang source ng magnitude 6 na lindol. Ayon kay Director Teresito Bacolcol, ang source ng lindol ay ang Philippine Trench. Paliwanag ng opisyal, kahit nasa karagatan ang sentro nito'y wala namang naging banta ng tsunami habang wala namang inaasahang pinsala mula dito.
Ang intensity 5 kasi, description yan, strong, and it's generally felt by most people indoors at outdoors. Yung maraming tao, kapag tulog sila, are awakened. Some are frightened, some would run outdoors. There's strong shaking and rocking felt kapag nasa building ka. We might think na madalas yung paglindol ngayon kasi nga matataas yung mga magnitudes lately. But again, these are all part of the fact na the Philippines is seismically active or part of the Pacific Ring of Fire.